Have you ever had a long and confusing exchange of messages with your manager to get an approval and thought, there has to be a better way to do this? Well, today I'm here to show you this app within Microsoft Teams called Approvals, which is an easy way to keep track of all of your approval requests. Let's say you need, for example, to organize an offsite and you need your manager's approval for that. Come with me and I'll show you how to easily do that within the Approvals app. Alright, so I'll start by showing you how to leverage the Approvals app within a chat in Microsoft Teams. The first thing you're going to do is to click those three little dots on the bottom of your message, select Approvals, then select Basic Request. You can name your request, enter your approver's name. In my case is Rachel Green. Then I'm going to select the priority. I'm going to keep as medium in this example, and then add some details on what you're requesting on that details box. And you can add any attachments you want. In this case, I'm attaching my proposal, my offset proposal, and then I'm going to go ahead and send. All right, so once it's submitted, this is what you can see. The approval request comes within the chat, is very easy to be located, to open it, and to see all the information that I have submitted. Now I'm going to jump into Rachel's view. This is Rachel's view right here. This is exactly what she sees. She can easily see what was submitted, the comment. She can open this offset proposal if she wants, review that, add any comments, and then she can approve it. You may think, why wouldn't I just use a chat or an email to get that approval? Well, here are a couple points for you. First of all, within the Approvals app, all the back and forth conversation will be stored in one place. Since sometimes it can be hard to find that information if it gets buried in a long chat or email thread. But another very important point is that Approvals has its own standalone app. You can access that in the left navigation of your team site. If you click on that three little dots there to find more apps, you can find Approvals. And then all of your approvals that you have sent or received are automatically stored. Don't matter if you start within the app or if you start in the chat or in a channel in Teams. Every time you start a new request, it automatically gets stored in this one place where you can track all of your requests. Very convenient, right? Going back to my previous example, now we're going to extend our offsite and invite more departments. So I need more approvers into my request. This time I'm going to start from the Approvals app. I'm going to click this new approval request on the top right. I'm going to do a basic request again. I'm going to do offsite extended. Then I can put multiple approvers. So I'm going to put Rachel again, but now I'm also going to add Ross, Phoebe, Joey, everyone from a different department to accept my request here. I'm going to keep priority. Notice you can also put custom responses. So this time around, for example, we have a committee. So I'm going to put an option, send to committee, or like missing information. And just click send. Going back to Rachel's view, you're going to see that she has received that request. She can open it. She can reassign if she needs, or she can write comments and choose the appropriate option there. And one last thing to notice is that when you click under New Approval Request, you have the basic request, which you use today, but you also have templates. For example, a attendance template, or you can create templates as well. All right, everybody, that's it from me today. I really hope you have found this useful. If so, please leave us a like, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and join our community. I would love to hear your use cases on how you are leveraging the Approvals app and other Microsoft technology. Bye now.